Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Hi everyone, it's your girl Sarah Style. Okay guys, let me go straight to the point. The reason why I'm here today, I'm here because I don't like the way many women treat their sister-in-law, especially their mother-in-law. Our sister-in-laws and our mothers-in-law, I don't really know. They're supposed to be our best friends because, you know why, guys? If we have problem with our husband, who will you run to? Is there. You call them. You run to them. Tell them what happened. Then we support you. That is if you are good to them. Then we support you. Then we back you up. But if you are not good to them, after you finish calling them, they will drop the phone, say, see. But if you are good to them, you respect them, you talk to them in normal way, you are there for you stand with them, you I don't know how we put it. Any time of trouble, anytime, they will stand by you. They will be with you. They will fight with you. They will even join you to fight their own son, their own brother. If you are good to them, why can't we change? Because I've been saying many things. I say, no, this thing is not good. I have to make this video for someone to learn. If you can learn from there. Me, I'm also learning. I'm also learning. Let our mother-in-law, our sister-in-law, our brothers-in-law, let them be your best friend in that marriage. Because without them, you can't be there. Your husband cannot just come to your family house and marry you without your family, without his family. Without his family, your husband cannot just come alone to marry you, no. Even without their approval, he cannot come there and marry you. Let's stand with them. Let's respect our sisters-in-law, brothers-in-law, our mother-in-law. Without the woman giving birth to that child, you cannot marry him. You cannot marry him. Let's respect our mother-in-law the way we respect our own mother. Let's treat our mother-in-law the way we treat our mother. Because, why? You don't know the kind of suffer. They suffer to take that baby for good 9 months. Put to bed and also continue taking care of that child until he starts his own life. As a mother, no mother will leave his son out there be suffering, no. Mother go everywhere year and year to hustle. If that son don't eat, that mother will never eat. Always think back, always look the way always think the same suffer your mother suffer for you is the same thing your husband mother also did for her son. Let that woman be our first thing, our best friend, our husband, our everything. Your mother-in-law. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm not going to take too much of your time, guys. I've just come here to talk about our mother-in-law, our sister-in-law, our brother-in-law. How many people treat them. I don't really like it. Especially if that man or boy jam a bad woman out there. That is our prayer. Not let our brother, our son, jam any bad woman out there. Any evil woman. Some women wish not to have a mother-in-law. I have a brother. I know the kind of suffer my mother suffer for them. I know the kind of suffer my parents suffer for my brothers. One woman will just come, say, see, is that good? No. Because I have experienced this kind of thing. That's why I'm doing this video. I experienced this kind of thing. Even me, then deny me to see my brother for many years. A woman. Did you know woman can come into your family and scatter everything? Did you know? It happened everywhere. It happened everywhere. Woman can just walk into your family and happy family and scatter it just overnight. Overnight. Your brother is your best friend. He will turn into your enemy. Did you know? Did you know some wicked woman, your mother will be calling you, will calling his son. A wicked woman can say, hey, dear, don't pick that call. If you are that woman, if you are that mother, how will you feel? You are calling your son. His wife tell him not to pick that call. How will you feel? You cannot be happy. You can never feel good. This life, everybody reap what is sow. Everybody reap what is sow. What you sow in the morning, you have to reap it in the evening. Please, let's be nice to our mother-in-law. Let's be nice. Let us be nice to our brother-in-laws. Let us be nice to our sister-in-laws. They are our backbones in that house. Without them, you can never be happy in that house. You can never be happy in that marriage. You can never be happy. Please, guys, I don't want to take too much of your time. I don't want to talk too much. Please, if maybe you will learn one or two things for what I'm saying. Maybe you will learn. How can a woman, a young girl of these days, be wishing not to have a mother-in-law? All mothers' prayer is to play with their grandchildren, is to carry their grandchildren. As I am now, I pray my children will get married tomorrow. My son will get married. My daughter will get married. My prayer is to carry my grandchild, to play with them. Because all the children will go. All of them will go. Get married. It will just you and your husband. But you need that grandchildren around you to play with. Eh? That is the happiness of a mother-in-law. Please, we don't have to deprive them of their rights. We don't have to deny them. We don't have to take away their joy. Let's draw our mother-in-law close, our sister-in-laws close, our brother-in-laws close. Please. If all those things I'm saying now, if you try it, you will have a happy home. You will have a happy marriage. Some people, some women, when their brothers-in-law, sisters-in-law, mother-in-law are coming to their house, they will be hungry. Why? Why? How can you be denying them their right, their brother? How long? They are not coming there to stay forever. They just want to stay for a few minutes, for some days. Or maybe they just need a change of environment. You say, okay, let me go and visit my brother. Some women feel bad even to hear that. Where are they coming to? Yeah? They haven't even informed us. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. Let's receive them. How long are they going to stay? Please, my brothers and sisters, let's take this advice. You also go some mail. That one will be my part 2. This one now is just for women, we women. I will make part 2 for the men. I will make part 2 for the men. Okay? Let's welcome our mother-in-law, our sisters-in-law, our brothers-in-law, the way they welcome us into the family. The way they welcome us into the family. I'm a Benin girl. I'm married to Igbo man. The time I visit Nigeria, I see how my mother-in-law, my sisters-in-law, my brothers-in-law, even my co-wives, I see how they receive me. I see how they welcome me to the family. Ah, my God. No, that day, I can never forget that day. It's still ringing in my brain. I can never forget that day. Even where I come from in my tribe, they can never welcome you like that. They can never welcome you like that. People are saying Igbo people are bad. No, when you jam the good one, you will enjoy it. I don't know how we put it. I don't even know. When you jam the good one, you will enjoy it. The way they received me that very day, no, my God. Even me, I'm tired, but I don't know. The way they received me, I say, what? They haven't seen me before. See the way they received me. No. His mother is like he have a sugar that is chalk in her tummy. The way people is just coming in. I say, my God. In my own place, Benin, never. They will say, just see, because he come from abroad, because he come from Europe, that jealousy, you will just see the written all over there. That jealousy, it will just be there. But for where I marry, nothing like that there. Then, as I'm coming back, my sister, my co-wife, is enter market. He used the money to do shopping for me. I said, he said, no, leave it. Who does that? Who does that? Nobody. Nobody in my Benin. Nobody. This one is 100%. Nobody can do it in Benin, where I come from. Nobody. My co-wife, he enter market in Olicha. He do shopping. He said, take. I said, what? I said, take money. He said, no, keep your money. If I'm lying, please, guys, leave a comment in the comment section for me. If I'm lying, if who can do it for you in Benin? No, they cannot. If you are even there, they cannot even use their money to buy you something, say take or give your children or take this along with you. Never. Everything have to come from your pocket. Everything they have to dry you, stock you, dry your pocket. Oh, guys, let's respect where we marry from. Let's respect our mother and our sister-in-law the way we respect our parents. Let's take care of them the way we take care of our own. I'm not going to take too much of your time. Let me end this video now, guys. Oh, my people, have you subscribed for your girl? Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't done that, please. I will be updating you more advice. I will be bringing many things. What you will learn. Take one or two, at least what you can take one or two things from. I know with this my video, you can also take one or two things from there. Okay, guys, subscribe for your girl. Just subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and also give it a thumbs up, guys. Leave a comment. Anywhere I made mistake, just leave a comment because I'm still learning. Nobody is perfect. Everybody is still learning. Okay, subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, bye. Let me end this video now. Bye.